Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so over here we have the following ions in which we need to generate a resonance structure, and after that we're going to identify a series of compounds as being resonance structures, constitutional isomers, or neither. So the first one that we're going to deal with is the following ion that contains a negative charge on the oxygen atom. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a pair of electrons. It goes to generate a double bond, and the other pair of electrons goes to the oxygen atom, generating the following resonance structure. In this case, both of them are going to have the same contribution. For the next one, we're going to have the following nitrogen ion with a positive charge. And what we can do is that nitrogen can take one of the pair of electrons into its lone pair, and we're going to generate a tertiary carbocation on this position, and the NH2 is going to have its lone pair here. Now we can proceed with the next part of the question, which asks us with reference to the structure in the box, which is the following. We have double bond, oxygen, and our cyclohexene ring over here. We need to identify which of the other compounds are going to be constitutional isomers, resonance structures, or neither. So first of all, let's begin with the constitutional isomers. So remember that constitutional isomers are going to have the same chemical formula, but are going to have different connectivity. So in this case, the ones with different connectivity is going to be this one over here, double bond, down here, and we're done with this one. This is the first constitutional isomer. And also this one with the cyclopentane with a ketone over here and the double bond CH2. So these are going to be the constitutional isomers because they have the same chemical formula but different connectivity. The one that is not going to be neither a resonance structure or a constitutional isomer is going to be the cyclohexanone over here. And finally, the one that is left is going to be a resonance structure. So we're going to draw how we can arrive to that resonance structure from our parent compound. So we're going to get our oxygen over here. So what is going to happen is that a pair of electrons goes here, the other pair of electrons goes here. This is going to generate a positive charge on one of the carbon atoms, which is in this position. The double bond now is here, and now we have a negatively charged oxygen atom. So that's how we arrive to that resonance structure. And that would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one.